Hello everyone, today I am going to show how to install Flutter. So what is Flutter? Flutter is Google's mobile UI framework for creating high quality native interfaces in iOS and Android. To install Flutter, we need to visit flutter.io and then click on Getting Started icon here. It will take us to the Getting Started page where we can select the operating system of our choice, and here we can see Windows, Mac OS and Linux are available. I'll click on Mac OS button, which will direct me to the page on how to set up for Mac OS. On this page you can see what are the system requirements and the disk space required, that is 700 MB, and what are the tools required for the setup. I will be making use of bash, git and rm. Next will be to download the Flutter zip file. So we are going to save the file, which is around 600 MB. It will take some time. So I have already downloaded the file. Meanwhile, we'll set up all the directories that is required. So here we'll create a directory called as development in our home folder. To do so, we run the command mkdir space tilde slash development. So here I already have it. Now we will change the directory to development folder by running cd space tilde development. Next I'm going to create a directory called Flutter, and again I'll change directory to that using cd space Flutter. Now I'll copy paste the command for unzip and paste it in the terminal. It will take some time. So the extraction has completed. Next step will be to set up the path. We can do so by running the following command. Feel free to pause the video or just check the description below for the command. Now we'll reset the terminal and check the path. You can do so by running echo space $path. You can see that the Flutter path has been added to the environment. Now we are going to see if Flutter is installed correctly or not by running flutter space doctor command. This will run some background checks to see if Android Studio and Xcode are installed or not. We have successfully set up Flutter. If you have any queries or questions or anything, just feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.